Here we have narwhal, also known as Sekulic. On the passenger side here we have our compact kitchen cabinet that has a flip-up countertop extension, as well as our flip-down table on our new cam strap system. And what that gives you is a lot of strength, but also a lot of flexibility and super easy deployment and storage. Now the countertop extension that we have over here quickly pops up and pops down. And what we also did on this is put in a 2-burner sink combo with split glass lid, as well as our switch plate and Espar heater, interior lighting controls, as well as exterior lighting and a fridge switch. Now inside the cabinet, we put in a Yeti Goal Zero 3000X on one side, and on the other you'll see that we have our power station power panel kit. On the driver's side, we have our standard drawer bank that has a hidden kick plate drawer, as well as a bank of 4 drawers. Our fridge module, in this case we put in a Vitrifrigo 3.2 cubic foot fridge. And one reason why we like these fridges so much is they are some of the shallowest in the industry in this size, which gives you some of the best galley space as well. Further forward on the driver's side, we got a loo box that has just a simple chamber pot, toilet, and some storage, and we put in a cushion on top of that. Quite a bit of hangout space in this vehicle, and up above we put in a bamboo overhead cab storage shelf. And one reason why we like that storage shelf is, well, you can see it. So instead of hitting your head on it all the time, well, you'll just hit your head on it a few times. In the back we put in a Dinette system, and this Dinette system on the passenger side has a 20-gallon over-the-wheel well water tank, and then just a simple cabinetry system with a tremendous amount of storage underneath. Now this Dinette tabletop, quite sizable, goes down to make the bed panel and gives you a great opportunity to bring a strap-up bed system down so that you can utilize the strap-up bed system while Dinette is fully engaged and you're eating and you want to entertain, and then you can have a bed ready to go without taking the Dinette system fully apart. I'd like to showcase some dimmable lighting that we install. The awning adds for a wonderful effect while you're out camping. And on the back you can see our 2 Dinette cabinets, complete with a tie-down rail system that's a Roost Vans standard, and then the water fill, spray port, as well as fresh water, and of course a little bit of storage, drain, filter maintenance, and your hose for the spray. That about wraps up our build of Sekulic on this 23 Transit Trail. Come check us out at roostvans.com.